So we have Daddy. He's gonna make some boiled and fried green fig to eat with some curried fish today. Curried curry.
I go boil it and fry it.
Okay. So where's the menu?
Curry fish and rice and boil and fry fig.
Okay.
Just clean it under water.
Okay.
Under water to prevent the gum from sticking in your hand. You cut the skin like this to peel it off. And you peel it off. You have to cut it deep enough to actually get it out. So this is quite full set of bananas, close to ripen. So it will be pretty stiff to clean it.
Okay. So this too full to make broth or no?
It could do it, do it.
But it's better for boil and fry.
Yeah, this is ideal for our way to do boil and fry.
Okay.
And I cut it in size like this.
So you all know my father don't hear very well, so if I let him talking a little loud.
What I'll do afterwards is cook it in the instant pot for about 20 minutes and then fry it.
Okay.
Fry it with onions and pepper.
Daddy's a new Instant Pot fan. Since mommy went to Texas, Daddy playing around with the Instant Pot and start making all kind of things.
Now some people put oil in their hands to clean it, but if you clean it under water like this, you don't have a problem. And it won't oxidize on the outside when you do it like this. Mom
making a smoothie here, put collagen powder. We're having
cinnamon, elaichi, watermelon, banana,
and oatmeal.
Dates and oatmeal. Gotta get some more.
Oh, we're going to market. Yeah, take.
And actually, in the instant pot, cooking it under the rice function is ideal. Just set it on the rice function and leave it.
Okay.
It's the ideal cook.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, I put flaxseed in it.
Okay.
Dada boy. Dada. Dada.
Really wake up at that time. Yeah, but he just take himself out.
Banana?
Yeah.
This is cook and fig. You want to call it cook and fig?
So if this ripe, it wouldn't taste like the next one.
No, it will be actually, it actually tastes nice, but it ripens very quickly. So by the time it turns at the regular heat, it gets very soft. It becomes ideal then for baking, making cake or banana bread and things.
So Daddy put the green fig and some carrots in the Instant Pot.
That's how you see what I do. To get it like how you do the Instant Pot, you have to use a pressure cooker for a shorter period of time. Right, so.
Or what if they're doing it on the stove? On the stove.
Yeah, do it on the stove if you don't have an Instant Pot.
Or if you don't have a pressure cooker. If you don't have a pressure cooker.
It takes longer to boil. What this does is it speeds up the time, but it also gives it a better
Texture.
It actually tastes better because how it cooks under pressure.
Okay.
And salt it.
That's a lot of salt. Yo, that's like 2 teaspoons of salt. 2 or 3. That's some hot water.
And that's it.
I love Instant Pots. They just make like life easier.
Rice function.
Look what Cruz did. Hey, mister. What did you do there? Cruz? So we have Daddy. He's gonna make some boiled and fried green fig to eat with some curried fish today. Curried curry. Wherever you could get. So we have the pressure cooked green fig in here with some carrots.
Boil, the cooked banana and carrots. Pressure
Fig,
cook.
green fig.
Green
Yeah.
fig. Pressure cooker. What are you going to do now? You're going to saute it high heat. Onion, minced garlic, hot pepper, pimento. So we're going to saute this on high heat. A quick saute, and then we're going to put an electric griddle to finish off. Okay, when I put it there, I'll explain what happened when you do it. Right? And the reason for sauteing it here first, I want the flavors of this infused into that.
Okay. So Daddy loves to cook. I think my entire family.
But that was
Except
salted
my
when it was
sister.
cooking, so we don't have to add anything here.
Okay.
All it is saute it and finish it on the end.
So he's saying no, you don't have to add any salt because it cooked with salt already.
What I'm trying to do is have it properly coated with all the hot oil and the
chicken more than
No.
or you put it in the
No, just cut the pieces that I need.
Yeah, we have the griddle heating up. Set at 350 degrees, right? So we're going to transfer that from that to this here.
Real movements of this kitchen. That is why it is make it addictive like that. We have a light here that blinking, so if I see like something blinking here, that's just the light. Ooh, chocolate boy. Just so this is a brown it.
Now it will remain on this here. Cover it. What will happen is that at the start thing you see the moisture coming up on it. You will keep it for a time until all the moisture, when all the moisture dries off from the it's finished. We are doing it until when the onion there caramelize. You get a good flavor. That's what we're looking for. So this will take about 10 minutes.
Okay.
You probably stir it once, turn it over once, sweet it. After it's starting to caramelize.
It's browning nicely. The Maillard reaction is happening here.
In a couple of minutes, this is done. Taste it.
Ooh, it's hot. It's good. Yeah. That's rather.
You done with that?
It's nice, huh?
Take our first picture again. So give it 5 minutes again and take it out. Okay.
For the smell.
Take a picture of it. Again.
It's looking nice and crispy.
Yeah, this is what we'll.
Bun.
No, that is what you want. You want it. This will give it a real flavor.
Well, that's what they call bun.
Yeah. Now, notice that the fig is soft, right? If you just boil this on the stove and do it will be hard. This way, it's soft and it's sweet.
And the browning, which is called the Maillard reaction, it's going to intensify the sweetness and the flavor of the fig, which is why his method is really tasty. So it's not always like the ingredients you use and all those things, it's always the method that you use to cook it.
Taste a piece.
To me, two people could cook the same dish and it would taste different because their techniques would be different.
here. Yes, here. Watching in minutes. Here.
To me, like he ain't drinking any milk.
The way look at them. You want to try to follow, no?
I go see. I'll try that tonight. I don't know if it's the bottle or what. But he was drinking at home.
Could be what will happen, but nipples are different from his nipple.
No, but he drank it in the home.
The same nipple?
Yeah.
Well, I think milk probably is different. Why is he giving milk? What do you give him? We was giving
Just, I just give him the normal HEB brand
full cream.
or Kroger brand, yeah.
And this is full cream here, well, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Just one.
Go on. Soft, so soft and nice.
The sweetness. I can taste the sweetness
And I
from the
can
fig.
flavor
Yeah.
the aromatic scent. Right. Right.
This is the carrot. It's soft and nice.
If I say, if I just boil this on the stove, I bet it will be hard.
This is from tree to table.
Yes,
This is from our tree downstairs.
from cricket table.
Yeah. So this is from our tree downstairs,
Fully
literally.
organic.
It's fully organic and so simple. Simple ingredients. Carrots, green fig, a little garlic, onion, pimento, hot pepper. And look at this tasty dish. So I hope you all enjoyed Daddy's recipe for the boiled and fried green figs. And let us know what you want him to cook next. So this is yesterday.
Yesterday. No, wait, that's not even pregnant, right? 9 months. Yeah. I just like to hide it. Where is that? Yeah, I was thinking it too. I put it underneath. He watches when I do it. Big hibiscus tea
Yeah.